YouTube channel. This is a look that we're doing today. It's my everyday slash go-to makeup look. Now I don't do makeup every single day, but I do it whenever I have a shoot or whenever I have to go out somewhere. So I usually do this. This is my very basic go-to makeup look, and it just takes 10 minutes, not a lot of time. Although I do take a lot of time blending the foundation and stuff, but the rest of it is just very quick. So let's get on to it.
Yeah, get into it.
So to start with this neutral makeup look, I first prepare my skin and try to keep it hydrated. I use a green tea hydrating mist by Innisfree and also this priming moisturizer by Sugar Cosmetics. And recently I've started keeping my skincare refrigerated, and I honestly love how it gives me a cooling effect. 10 on 10 would recommend. Now for the primer, I change it up all the time. Currently I'm using Faces Canada's Radiance Primer, and all the products that I show you guys in the video can be switched with anything that suits your skin type. Now to start with the base makeup, I use a Sugar Cosmetics concealer and Ace the Base foundation. I've been using these two products together for a long time now, and they work super well for me, and I'm sure you would know this if you've seen my previous videos. Okay, so here's the catch. I don't use a brush or even a beauty blender for that matter to blend my foundation or the concealer. I mean, this look is all about doing it quick and making it easy, and when I'm in a rush, I don't want to spend time picking up multiple tools. I like to go with my concealer first and then the foundation, but I know it's the other way around for some people. But I don't honestly know if it makes any difference. I mean, I'm no Nikki tutorials, but still. Instead, I just use the sponge that comes with my compact I'm using on that particular day, which for today is Urban Colors Face Compact. If I am doing a special look or something a bit more grand than what this is, I do go all out and use loose powders and banana powders to bake and stuff, but not with this look, and let's be honest, it still looks fine, right? Now one thing that I did not show you all is contouring, which I did before setting my face. I don't contour a lot, but whenever I do, it's usually on my forehead, and let's be real, it needs all the contouring it can get. I also contour my nose, but again, no brushes. I take the product on my ring finger and apply it like this. However, I do have to sometimes use the brush to blend this. To finish off my base makeup, I apply blush from a Profusion Cosmetics palette, lightly on the cheeks and some on the bridge of my nose as well. For my highlight, I use this palette by iMagic, and with a neutral look like this, I tend to reach for an off-white sort of shade instead of a highlighter which is full of pink undertones or even brown undertones. Now let's take a closer look on the eyes and how I do this soft brown smoky eye sort of thing. I first do my eyebrows using an eye kit by Gorgeous Girl, and this is a constant product of mine. I don't do a lot with the brows, I just kind of fill them up, especially at the front, and outline them nicely. I then move on to my eyelids. I am using this Glam palette by Profusion Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this brown shade with some orange undertone and apply it all over my eyelid. Now taking a deep brown shade in a packed brush like this, I'm going to apply it near the lash line and kind of like a liner, but a thick one. Now finally, I'm taking this black shade with a thin brush and apply it in the corners of my eyes, again like a liner. Now we'll move on to my favorite part, which is the actual liner, and I use mostly a black liquid one. Like here I'm using the Faces Canada's liner, which comes with a thin applicator, and I love this applicator and anything similar to this one. I'm drawing a winged liner carefully, and don't worry if you mess this up because I do too all the time. You just have to use a little bit of water on your brush and you can just clean it up easily. Now I don't put the liner all over my lid, it's only in the outer and the inner corners of my eyes, and that's because it suits my particular eye shape. It can be different for you. Finally, I'm finishing off my eyes by curling my lashes and using a mascara. I don't really use fake eyelashes, but whenever I do, it's usually for a party or a function. And now for the mascara, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics again, and this one is for lengthening my lashes. We are now on the last step of this look, which is lipstick, and I have this constant shade that I wear, and it's by Sugar Cosmetics called Muslin Mauve. At this point, I'm just honestly waiting for Sugar Cosmetics to collaborate with me. Over this lipstick, I also apply my contour on the lips and blend it with a brush. Now, I'm not sure if it's okay to do this or not. Please let me know in the comment section, because I just do it because I like the shade and the texture. Now with this we are done. So this is the final look. It's sort of like a brown smoky eye. You know, I love brown tones and it really suits my skin and my skin color. Plus this eye look really matches with my eye shape, the liner and stuff. So I mean, you guys can really easily recreate this look with your products and whatever you have at your home. However, I will link the products that I used in the description below. You can check that out. Also, while you're at it, please hit that subscribe button and that like button, because it really means a lot. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any video ideas for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. He gon' pay for wasting our time. We cut you in a lie, so we gon' fuck up your life. All we need is a little time, but you don't know.